is up, guys? Today doing my oil change. You feel me? I need to get to work first, finish out my day at work, and then bang out the oil change. Show y'all how to do it. Dog, it's cold as fuck, bruh. One day it's hot, one day it's cold, and guess what? 93 is still like $1 billion, bro. Look at that. And bro, like, I saw this shit on TikTok and it made me realize, like, everybody's range is going down, dude. Like, look at my range, bro. Like, what the fuck do you mean my miles per gallon dropped by 3? I've been driving the same, bro, the whole time, and then I don't know, bro. I don't know. That shit's buns, though. Anyways, I don't give a fuck about that. Kind of on the fence of what I want to do next. It's either lowering springs or an exhaust. Not like an exhaust. I'm just gonna cut the resonators off to call it a day. I don't feel like dropping like $1,800. Cause it's still gonna sound like a fucking 4-cylinder turbo, dog. It's gonna bang the whole thing anyways. Yo, light screen, guys. Light screen, guys. Oh, is there a grandpa driving this truck, dog? Fuck. Y'all a little ripper. Alright, y'all, I'll catch y'all when I'm done with work. See y'all in a minute. Man, I don't think this food should look like this, guys. 35,000 miles. Back right here, guys. Instead of getting oil everywhere now, just drop that. That's not how it's supposed to go. Alright, guys, we're gonna do some brakes. My box is a big mess right now. Had a busy day. Civic, pop off this tab. I'll remove this so I have room to get to this guy right here. Auto moon. Oh, it only took one swing. There's a girl. I grabbed the wrong tool. Alright, there you go. This is the right fucking box. I was wondering, that one looked a little different. Come on, girl. Dude, they have a computer and it tells them everything, dog.
What filters it takes, everything. Like let's say you're walking down your little stairs. There's a screen right there.
Yeah. And it, like the guy on top loads the car.
Hey, ready to go? And then fill it up upstairs.
All right, so every time you turn it, literally one turn, you have to thread this up.
I know.
All right.
Reach under me. Here we go.
And put that bitch on. I'll just put that brake pad in backwards. Where's the other cap? There it is. Boom, that's it.
I guess I gotta turn it one more fucking time.
Normally they're supposed to come with the washer for the drain plug, but I don't know, I guess it's the second time I bought it and I just never get it. So I got my own fucking 1,000 washers. Boom. Got them off Amazon. Throwing the link somewhere if you guys need them. Get a torque wrench. I know it's probably a little stupid to torque the drain plug, but I'm very anal about this car, so that is exactly why. Time to set the legs. We gotta twist them up, otherwise smashes this side skirt. Gosh, so much cooling all over this fucking floor. Pop the fill cap. Drain plug as well. I mean the dipstick. These are the tools you're gonna need to do an oil change on a Civic. Any Civic, honestly. I believe all the Civics are the same under. Everything should be the same. You want a flat head screwdriver, Phillips head, oil filter, washer plug, drain plug washer. This is optional, torque wrench, and you're gonna want a ratchet with an 18 on it. Start off with all the flatheads first, just come on in, twist them off. That's one. Boom, that's two. I always drop these three. And one more, right? Yeah. Boom. Get your Phillips. Make sure you don't route that guy off. And that should be the last one. Boom. This guy slides backwards, comes right out. Put it in right here. Alright. I don't know, my fucking GoPro is being stupid. But it's a 18 drain plug size. I'm using a 3/8 ratchet. Make sure it's on off, stick it on there, and crack it off. Ooh. Boom, take this washer off. Now it's kind of ugly, I know, I'm sorry guys. Take that washer off. Grab your new one. Swap her right over. Yep, your beautiful can of brake clean. Brake clean is your best friend here. Ah! Boom, I let that motherfucker drain till it's dripping. Grab your oil filter pliers. Alright, let me see if I can crack it open here first. Oh, I can. Alright. Boom, twist it, let it drip. We got my light. It's kind of chocolatey, son. No, I'm just kidding. Smells like oil to me, son. It's a good time to look for oil leaks too. Really don't expect an oil leak. This car is very fucking new. It's looking good, it's looking good. Get your new filter, punch a hole through it. A lot of people like to prime their new filters. I'm not one of them, son. I'm not one of them. Grease that puppy up. Take this lady out. And let everything drain out. Once everything's done draining, plug all that shit up. But you know, next video, cutting this exhaust out of this resonate right here. I don't know, I'm kind of on the fence of cutting both. I don't know, I gotta see how I feel about it. I might cut this big guy first, see how I like it, and then go from there. Just want to hear it a little more, maybe a little couple pops, crackles, you know. But 3,000 miles of ownership. I'm about 3,000, you know, I'm a little under there, but I like this thing a lot. It's my daily driver. In my opinion, this is the best daily driver you can buy. That's all I'm saying. It is the best daily driver you can buy. I'll die on that hill. I don't care what nobody says. You don't have to do this. I like to clean the oil filter housing area thingamabob. Get you a rag. Brake clean the rag. And brake clean the rest of it out. Let it drip all as well. But performance of this car is amazing. Kind of wish it was a little faster, but that's for the future. Gonna be replacing this front pipe too sometime down the road, and this rear motor mount. Speaking of the rear motor mounts, my biggest gripe with this vehicle is that when you're punching it in first, you go bang it into second, that shit grind like a motherfucker, bro. It grind, dude. It's like sometimes it won't even go into gear. That's like literally my only problem with this car. Make sure you have oil on that O-ring before you put this thing back on. Don't cross start it either. Start that bitch on. Hand tight, son. Hand tight. But love this thing. It's decent on gas. I kind of wish the tank was a little bigger. That's something a lot of other people say, that they wish the tank was a little larger. I kind of get that. I drive pretty far to work. thing is giving me no problems. It does need rear brakes. I'm gonna do a video on that. Front brakes are also a little low. But this thing looks amazing, dude. Love this thing so much. Also gonna be doing lowering springs in the future. It should be pretty easy. It's just this, I believe it's a sway bar. Yep, sway bar end link. Pop this guy out. Pop this control arm out. The thing falls down. You grab this motherfucker, throw the new one in, send it up with a pull jack. Tighten. Should be good. Same idea with the front. Drop the knuckle. Drop the strut. Smack on the new one, call it a day. That's what I like to see. I like to see that drip. Turn it on. Look at that. Turn it on. Boom, that's it. That's everything with the bottom side. Wait, no, you gotta put that tray back on. I always forget about that fucking tray. One thing I like to do, brake clean oil filter, grab a rag. You get like hella grip on that thing. So just snug it down one last time. Also make sure you don't double gasket it. Sometimes this gasket will stick in there. I know a lot of you guys don't have the luxury of a lift. So I was gonna be like, you know, let me make a relatable video, do it at home on Jackson shit. But I don't even feel like taking me out off of Jackson and just doing an oil change. So y'all gonna have to watch me do it on a fancy lift. Oh shit. Oh fuck. I apologize, guys. I always make this mistake. Make sure this goes over it before you slide this backwards. And then boom. So it sits on top like that. I always forget that. I start with these guys first. The flat style locking thingamabob. So you'll know it's for the flathead one when you look at the hole. No, like it's got threads, so you just slide that motherfucker. Slide that motherfucker in. It landed in my pocket. That is crazy. God. Boom. This last one always gives me a problem. I don't know why. I swear, bro, this side always fucks me up. Also forgot to make a video on the spacers. I brought the spacers all the way from home to work. You know, I start doing them, I'm like, damn, I forgot my GoPro. So yeah, y'all didn't get a video for that. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry, guys. Alright, so fuck that guy. We're skipping to the Phillips.
Put it in?
I'll put it in later. I'll figure it out. Dude, I don't know. That one never goes in.
Let the master tech take a look at it.
Yeah, let the master tech fucking do it. Let the fucking
Motherfucker.
My name is Xander Dingus.
How, dude? Touch never goes in, dog.
Master tech.
That shit never fucking works, bro. I can't fucking believe it. Dude, my brother did the same shit last time. When we smoking. Jimmy! I have to drive my car out. Dumbass.
Jackass.
What do you today?